You already know what I'm doing, so let me start directly. First thing you need to do is download the Capcut from the official website. You need to navigate to your browser and search for Capcut download. And there we go. Here's the first website is the Capcut's official website. You need to navigate to this and download the Capcut installer from there. Here you need to click on the download for free, and this will download the installer, and you need to run the installer in your computer, and the actual installation will be started from there. I've already done these steps. I'll skip this and jump directly into how to use Capcut for free. As you can see, I have opened my Capcut. The first thing you need to do is click on the setting icon, and here you need to specify the draw file location, and this is the important step. You need to click on this folder icon, and you need to specify a location in your computer wherever you want. So I will simply click on this video location folder and select this folder and save this. My draw file will be saved in the video folder I specify. Then I need to create a project for demonstration. Here I will simply drag and drop some videos and apply some pro effects and transition etc on them, and show you people how to use these pro effects, pro everything in Capcut for free. So I need to drag this to the timeline. Now I need to select some pro effects or transition and apply on these template videos for demonstration. I will first go to the transition, and here are some pro transition. I will simply download and apply them to the project. I'll simply drag this pro transition and apply it here, and also the another one and apply it here. Now the next, I will also apply and download some effects. This is all for demonstration that how I use pro effects, how I can then export my videos. I'll simply drag it here. Next I will try to import and download a pro text template also. I'll simply drag it to the timeline, and there we go. Now that's enough for demonstration. Now I simply try to export this video and see what's happened. It's saying you are using the following pro feature, and also it's showing the actual feature I'm using. It's saying that you need to join this pro, you need to use these effects or features. Then I will go back to edit. Here is the real trick, how to export the video with these pro features, and the video will be completely 1080p and will be completely HD. The first thing you need to do is select all the timeline. You can select it by pressing Ctrl+A, and then you need to right click on this create compound clip. Next you need to right click again and click on the free process compound clip. Now this will start free processing and will take some time. Then I will show the actual next step. You can see the pre-processing has been completed. Now what next? Now you need to simply go to location where you specify for drop. Now you have to navigate to the location which location you have specified for the drops, like the step we did in the first. So here I have specified this video location. I will need to go there, and then as you can see you have to click on the Capcut drops, and you have to look for your project name. Like here is my project name 0821. You have to click on this, and then you need to click on the resources, and in the resources you have to click on this combination, and there we go. Here is your actual exported video. As you can see, it's completely HD quality, and you can use this trick. This trick is 100% genuine and legal, and I will demonstrate you. I'm not giving any type of home CapCut. I showed you I downloaded CapCut from the official website and then use this trick also. If you like the video, press the like button, so press the subscribe button in order to get more videos like this. Thanks for watching.